back on and epoxy it as well. So today we're gonna go ahead and get this flocking kit done. Got everything set up. I'm just gonna go ahead and acetone it. And then from there, I'm gonna throw you on the time lapse and then we're gonna go ahead and get her done. Thanks to Mary Jane for the help. Hold it for me, that's better. So what I'm gonna do with acetoning, I'm just gonna clean all of that, like all of this little oil residue off of here. So when we paint that stuff on, the black tar stuff on it, then it's just all gonna stick to it. I'm also gonna take this off as well, so I don't block that piece. Just wanna get all the residue off of it. Of course it's black because I resprayed the whole thing, so some paint's gonna come off because this is 100% acetone. So I'm just working with, just want to get a clean surface so I can paint over it. I'm trying to clean it too clean. Now we'll go ahead and start mixing it and then we'll get ready. Good thing I'm only just flocking it. Okay, it's chipping off already. That's all we need. That's it. Maybe we poured a little too much. touch it up, but I'm gonna let it dry at least for a little while so I could touch up the areas that are needed. But for now, I'm gonna just go ahead and collect all the material that I can. So I'm gonna just sit it here for now. But so far, that looks pretty cool. How much I have left. It's probably like a quarter bag, but I think this should be enough to get the dashboard done. So we'll see how that goes. That was dope. Alrighty, y'all, so I got a little bit of it done. Mary Jane forgot to hit record, so thanks.
Makes me mad.
Bruh, that makes me mad. Okay, so let's go over the areas I want us to get. Fuck you. Let me see.
Put it down.
Sorry, baby. What's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great Sunday. I'm just hanging out, gonna go ahead and barbecue for enjoy my evening. But I went ahead and pulled out the interior. I wanted to go ahead and see how it looks in the daylight. So this is 24 hours after I had got it locked. So there's some fabric here and there that's just gonna blow off as well, but it's coming along. I think I did a really good job for being my first time. But yeah, we'll see how it comes out. Man, I cannot wait to move on to the outside of this build. I'm tired of the way it looks. But yeah, once I get that interior done, we're gonna get the seats and then the seatbelt brackets, and then I'll take her on her first drive, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the exterior of the car. A little hatchy. Yep. I can't wait to do more work on this car. Get her all settled so I could take her out and have some fun in it as well. And thank you for watching this video. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content. And share with a friend if you guys know someone locally. Just let them know that I make videos, and if they want to watch, then go ahead and subscribe. But anyways, go ahead and thank you for watching. Much easier than I thought. Alrighty, what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So it's Monday. I went ahead and got the dash in this morning. So we just finished up. Right now I'm just go ahead and take it for a little test drive up the driveway. A little back and forth. I still don't have seat belts or a seat inside, but I'm gonna work on that soon. I have to go to the junkyard for that. Alrighty, yo, we went ahead and got the dashboard installed this morning. So this is how it looks. I need to grab the button real quick. Let's piece on real quick. There we go. I think that came out pretty decent. Let me know what you guys think. Oh, I gotta get these pieces out real quick. Here's one. Get these others right here as well. There's an area right there. And right here, I'm gonna go ahead and touch these two areas up. I had to that was when I was getting the dash in, I kind of scuffed it a bit. But overall, this interior came. Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up for today. I'm gonna go ahead and do a few more little things, but I'm gonna do that off camera. But I hope you guys enjoy the content. Thank you for watching my videos, and then be sure to subscribe and like the channel and hit that bell for the post notifications when I post. So thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a great Monday. Give me a thumbs up in the comments if you guys like how the dashboard came out. Fully flocked. Looks really clean. Now I can start moving to the exterior of this. She needs some help on the outside, but we're getting there.